My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Agpo. This is a ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. So this ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on the hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Agpo ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. Very soon, users may realize that something bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore because of this Agpo ransomware. So this ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Agpo extension to the file name. So very soon, people see the results of the ransomware attack. So they try to open a specific file, and this is the message that comes up. Windows can't open this type of file with this Agpo extension. The same applies to all other files, and it is not possible to open them anymore. So the ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, to pay the ransom doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. So if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do right away is to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And then the scanning will begin, and the program will find certain threads in the beginning of the scan, but all the threads, of course, will be found at the end of the scan. You can always request for the free trial, of course, because initially the program is in the trial mode. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to remove this ransomware and to protect your files in the future. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Keep this in mind. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threads. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threads can be removed manually, but we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license, which is a much better solution to keep your data protected. And please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.